Hello, we've got a fabulous new product for you. So we have our heat resistant mat. Now this fits perfectly upon your Kit N Caboodle rotary table. Let me show you a few things that I've been able to create using this particular heat mat. So I've made myself embellishments using my hot glue gun. So a little bit of ephemera. I've done the same thing with my hot glue and also using my stamp. Done the same thing with embossing powder, and that was directly poured straight onto here. And then to heat it, I placed a little bit of cardstock underneath just to support the mat because it's quite loose. We want to be able to keep it stable, and then pulled it directly off the mat. I've also stamped and heat embossed. And then one of the fun things that I know we like to use is our shrink plastic. So that's a before and there's an after. So these are some of the fabulous things that you're going to be able to use with your heat mat. So all of these techniques are now going to work with your rotary mat as well. So it's adding to that family of being able to have those different levels of a working platform. So not only have you got the rotary mat that's also got a cutting surface, we have brought you before the messy mats that sits on top, and this is the new addition to that family. So we've now got our heat mat as well. So a little bit of inking, so I'm just picking up a little bit of sticky ink, press that down like so, embossing powder on top. So these are all the techniques that you're now going to be able to do working on top of your little rotary tool. So I'm just going to warm my heat tool up and then emboss straight on top of that, and I've not no worry that I'm damaging what's underneath because I've got my little heat mat there that's allowing me to be able to do this like so. And then one of the other fun things that I like doing is definitely making the ephemera. So I've got my hot glue gun and I'm going to make a little shape, but because I've got my rotary, I can make myself maybe little flowers like so, or little stars like this. And then I'd give it time to actually cool down for me to be able to pull away. But that is direct onto that heat mat. And then you can be making things like these.
If you want to see more from Highlight Crafts, make sure you click the like button. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below, and click the bell icon to receive notifications of all of our future content. You can also click here to see our latest video, or click here to see more videos like this one.